Finally, the Lord has done it finally. Finally. I said the Lord has done it finally. Finally. Okay, guys, finally I got a mirror. Okay, see this? You know, before most people I work for, I normally send their work to them. Like after sewing, I will send it, or sometimes I'll go and deliver it myself. But these days, most people end up coming to my place to check out their outfits. And then sometimes you don't get mirror, go and buy mirror now. This one, that one, you don't pass this level. So finally, I got this. Yes, not be car. I didn't buy a car. Some people will be like, it's ordinary mirror. She's rejoicing like this. Yes, so yes, like. If I tell you how much this thing costs, you won't believe it. But I finally got it. So this is me. So finally, not like I didn't have a mirror. I have the smaller one, just the small one now for personal use. But this one, imagine the customer standing in front of this. Just imagine. So I finally got one. Now let's unbox this. Let's see how it looks. Now I want you to tell me how much you think I bought this in the comment section. Just let me know. How much do you think I bought it? What's your guess? Just guess. How much do you think I bought this? Okay, so let's unbox it. We're gonna start from here. You have to be very careful with this. So this stuff is very, very fragile. Okay. Mm. Mm. The only thing I don't like about this mirror is that it doesn't have the wooden frame. Yes, this part. I wanted to get the one that has that this lace will be made with wood, the wooden part, but I did not see. The one I saw was smaller than this, so I couldn't get it. I ended up getting this one. Just have to be careful with it while handling it so that it won't break. Okay, it's coming out small. Baby, oh. See, only God know as you go be there, I go buy car. I dey talk of car, I never talk of the buy bag of rice for Christmas. Sinoka. Okay. Turn it over. Okay. So, as you can see, it's coming out small. Let's go. Okay, so a mirror is ready. It's ready. Ah, you guys don't know how I'm feeling. So I'll just clean it up. Yeah, it's a little bit dusty. We're in Hamatan period. So if a fashion designer, hairstylist, I want to get a mirror. I think you should get this size. I got this for, should I say the price? I should respect myself. Don't worry, ask me for the price in the comment section. If you want to know the price, ask me for the price in the comment section and I'll tell you. So I'll just clean it up and I'll look for somewhere to hang it. It's supposed to come with, okay, yeah. It has Okay. So this is how even hanging it, I'm scared. This thing is too fragile, and I'm scared of this place. This part. I was thinking it was supposed to be wooden. Like I said, I wanted to get the one that has wooden edges, but it was I didn't see this size, so I ended up getting this. So this is my mirror. Yes, yes. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah, this is me celebrating my little win. This is me celebrating my little win. So thank you guys. Let me go back to work.